Greetings, esteemed audience. This channel focuses on health, fitness, and beauty. Our video centers on fitness, nutritious food, and enhancing your physical appearance. In this episode, we'll explore the squat challenge and demonstrate the proper technique for performing squat. To maximize the benefits of this exercise, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Doing so will ensure you remain informed without any adverse effects. Improper squat form can lead to discomfort and potential injuries. It is essential to learn the correct technique to fully enjoy the advantages of squats. Let us now examine the proper way to execute a squat. Begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, with your hands positioned behind your head. This will serve as your starting stance. Initiate the movement by bending your knees and hips, allowing your hips to move backward. Descend to your maximum depth if possible, and then still reserve the motion to return to the starting position throughout the squat. Maintain an upright head and chest while ensuring your knees are pushed outward. By adhering to this proper form, you experience numerous benefits, including a flattened abdomen, defined abdominal muscles, and enhanced gluteal shape for women. Additionally, proper squats can reduce the risk of ankle injuries and facilitate easier lifting of objects. We recommend performing 12 repetitions daily. Let us embark on 12 squat challenge together. I will count down from 5 and then we will begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's it. We offer a wide variety of workout exercise, particularly those that can be performed each morning, even within the confines of your own room. Our program includes nutritious breakfast options designed to aid in reducing belly fat, as well as comprehensive guidance on transforming your entire physique to achieve a more attractive and healthy appearance. Additionally, there are numerous other videos available on our channel that provide valuable insight and information. We appreciate your viewership and encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you will remain informed about our latest content and updates, ensuring that you do not miss out on any beneficial resources. Your support is vital to us, and we are committed to providing you with engaging and informative material that can enhance your fitness journey. Thank you for taking the time to watch our videos. We look forward to your continued engaging and hope to see you again soon. Your participation is more important to us, and we are excited to share more content that can assist you in achieving your health and fitness goals. Until next time, take care and stay motivated.